Morning students, today we are going to solve another question from the Pure Mathematics 1 A levels, and the statement of the question is the function f where f of x is equal to a sine x plus b is defined for the domain x greater than or equal to 0, lesser than or equal to 2 pi. Given that f of 1 by 2 pi is equal to 2 and f of 3 by 2 pi is equal to minus 8, find the values of a and b. So this is very easy question. First we will put 1 by 2 pi in place of the x in the equation. So look, now the equation will become, so this is the equation, and now we are going to put x is equal to 1 by 2 pi in the equation. So look, now this will become left hand side f of 1 by 2 pi, and right hand side a sign will remain as it is, and in place of the x we are going to put 1 by 2 pi. This plus b will remain as it is. So now convert your calculator into the radian mode and solve sine pi by 2. So sine pi by 2 is actually 1. So 1 will be multiplied by a. So it will become a, and this plus b will remain as it is. And because f of 1 by 2 pi is equal to 2, so we will put 2 in place of f of 1 by 2 pi. So a plus b will be equal to 2. So this will be the equation, and we will call this equation number 1. Again from the question, so f of 3 by 2 pi is given equal to 8. So now we will put x is equal to 3 by 2 pi in the equation. So here and here we will put 3 by 2 in the equation, and in this case this will be equal to minus 8. So look, now we are going to put in the equation. So left hand side will become this one and right hand side will become this one. So remember, your calculator should be in the radian mode. So when you will solve sine 3 by 2 pi on your calculator, the answer will be minus 1. So minus 1 into a will become minus a, and this plus b will remain as it is. So the equation will become minus a plus b is equal to 8, because it is given in the equation that this vector is equal to minus 8. Okay, so this is the equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So from here the next steps will be very easy for you, because you are in A level. So you solve these equations simultaneously. So look, now we are going to solve these equations simultaneously. So simply adding the two equations, a will be cancelled and b plus b will become 2b, and on right hand side it will be minus 6. 2 will go to the denominator of the minus 6, so it will become minus 3. Now put this value of the b in any one equation. So in this question you can see the paper set, the book writer is going to put this value of b in the equation number 1. So look, now we are putting the value of b in equation number 1. So this will be the equation of a, will be the value of a, and here are the values of a and b. The second part of the question is find the values of x for which f of x is equal to 0, giving your answer in radians correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, now f of x of will be equal to 0. Now we will put the values of a and b here, and will take this vector equal to 0. So look, now how it will solve. So with the above values of a and b, f of so with the above values of a and b, f of x will become, so here we are putting the values of a and b, and because it was given in the equation that f of x is equal to 0, so this vector will become equal to 0, that is 5 sine x minus 3 equal to 0. From here 3 will go to the right hand side, it will become positive, and 5 will go to the denominator of the 3, so sine x will be equal to 3 by 5. So now convert your calculator into the radian mode, and now sine will go to the right hand side, so x will become sine inverse 3 by 5. So solve it on the calculator, you will get the answer of the x, that is 0.644 radians. And now because sine is positive, and sine is positive in the two quadrants, like the first and the second quadrant, so here will be the basic angles. So this is 0.64 and this is 0.64. So first angle will be 0.64 and second angle will be this 0.64 will be subtracted from the pi. So when you will subtract 0.644 from the pi, the second value will be 2.5. So here are the two answers of the x, that is 0.64 radian and 2.5 radian. The third part of the question is sketch the graph y is equal to f of x, and definitely we are going to sketch the graph of y is equal to 5 sine x minus 3. So remember, whenever the graph of sine x is required to be plotted, take the difference, take the interval of pi by 2 on the x-axis, like this one, 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. So take these differences on the x-axis, and now convert your calculator into radian mode and put these values one by one in the function to get the values of the y. So when we will put 0 in place of x, so sine 0 is 0, so the answer will be minus 3. When we will put pi by 2 in place of x, so sine 90 is 1, so 5 minus 3 will be 2. When we will put pi in place of the x, so sine pi is 0, answer will be minus 3. Sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, so minus 5 minus 3 will be minus 8, and sine 2 pi is 0, so it will be minus 3. So these are the set of the values which are going to be plotted. So definitely first value is 0 minus 3. So look now, this is the value 0 minus 3. Next value was pi by 2 and 2. So here is pi by 2 and here is 2. This is the second value. Third is pi and minus 3. So look now, pi and minus 3. So here is pi and here is minus 3 value. Next is 3 pi by 2 minus 8. So 3 pi by 2 minus 8 will be plotted here. And the last one is 2 pi and minus 3. So here is 2 pi and here is minus 3. So these are the values which we have plotted on the sheet of the graph paper, and then with the freehand we will sketch the curve. So this was the question. Thank you so much, students.